Nasty, you are comparing yourself with Untouchable, a guy with integrity. You are comparing yourself with Flowerboy. You are comparing yourself with Bob2funny. People that have integrity. People that know their left and know their right. People that know how to deal with their fellow human being. People that have conscience. You are comparing yourself with them. But before I go into this matter, let me greet you all. I greet you all according to your time, wherever you are watching me for. This is your girl, NhastyJee TV. If you're just coming across my video for the first time, do me well by hitting the following button. Share this video for me. Make you not forget to drop your comment on the comment section. Like I always say, your opinion matters a lot. So guys, I saw the video NhastyJee did yesterday, and he was comparing himself with Untouchable, Flowerboy, and Bob2funny. Guy, those people have integrity. They don't misbehave like you. They say shoe get its size. Forget say you guys are into content creating. They have their class. Person where go school, person where not go school, not be the same thing. Their IQ is greater, is bigger than your own. Your own IQ now thought its own. You think you have sense, but you don't have sense. A lot of things you mention in that video, and I want to be giving you one after the other. The few ones I can remember is what I want to analyze on this video. You said Untouchable and Flowerboy and Bob2funny that they prank themselves. After they don't prank themselves finish, then they'll come transfer 1 million into their account. Thank God say you shoot your leg for leg. Just shoot by yourself, shoot your leg. Shoot yourself for leg for them. How many times have you pranked MAZI IBE? How many times have you transferred anything to MAZI IBE? Say MAZI IBE take now, take after the prank finish, you don't verse finish. Just, okay, give me your account, give me your account, give me your account, let me transfer something for you. How many times have you given that guy 1 kobo? Instead of that, you come to social media to disgrace him. The day when you do your birthday, oh, he came all the way with his team to come and give you surprise birthday, to come and celebrate you. He bought 3 cakes. Is it not 3 cakes they brought that very day? I can think so. One they wrote TikTok, the other one they put Facebook, the other one they put YouTube. And he presented for you with his team. He prayed for you, did everything. On his way go, you come back again. Constant, so you put a poison for the cake. Make it not so you load and slap it was MAZI fall for grant. And I want to ask you this question. You this stupid boy, I want to ask you this question. How many times Flowerboy don't ever prank Untouchable? Give her that kind of slap. How many times? You are very wicked too. How many times Bob2funny don't prank Untouchable? Give her load her that kind of slap where be say the Untouchable go fall for grant. How many times? Answer this question. How many times? Guy, you don't have conscience. Even when you know the health condition where this MAZI they face, say you know they strong, something can easily happen to the enemy. But you went ahead, use gather all your muscle, use a load of that slap, which for MAZI IBE that because you didn't expect it. You turn around saying a prank. After everything, not be one you slap at that deal. After everything, the guy forgave you. He went back with you again. And pray all those things. How many times Bob2funny or Flowerboy you don't see them do such expensive prank? May they just say disgrace Untouchable. You don't ever say no. Do you know your kind of person? Your kind of person, a person will be say person will not get money, you know they respect her. You only respect people that has money. You think it's by your power that you get here. You think it's by your power, by your strength, by your hard work you get here. Come, let me tell you. If God wants to remove that thing when he gives you today, not see before you close that open eye, what you know expect, go for your enemy head. Be careful how you treat people. Be careful how you treat people. Let me give you another example again. Untouchable comedy. Boys, where they on that they are progressing. They are progressing. They are doing fine. They are doing fine. How many of your boys is progressing? How many of your boys is doing fine? Nasty. How many of your boys is doing fine? How many of them is progressing? Anyone will come up for that mulepa, they come up with problem. When they're even there outside, one problem or the other, they know they get peace. How many of your boys? How many people where they inside that mulepa will be say that they progress? Not they. You know they, but Untouchable boys, they progress, they go. They progress, they go. Bob2funny and Flowerboy, you see the way they honor Untouchable. Even if Untouchable not still get rich, they'll still honor them because they have respect. Untouchable first make money before them. Untouchable first make name before them. But Untouchable never look down on them. There's some of them, me with Bob2funny, but according to Bob2funny, he said they started together. But an Untouchable first maker. But Untouchable carried them along to make sure say they make her too. The people where you and they start together, how many of them you carry along? How many of them you decide to say, let me try my best to make sure say all those ones reach the position when I did, even if they not reach there, make them still stand on their feet. You are a very wicked person. You are comparing yourself with people with integrity. People that has integrity. When the Untouchable want to celebrate his birthday, so did you see what Flowerboy did for Untouchable? You see the goats, the way carry call, where say want to celebrate Untouchable. And I want to ask you a question. The way with MAZI IBE run around for you, where MAZI IBE protect you, where MAZI IBE do everything today to make sure say you die alive. Have you seen Untouchable run around like that for any of you boys? No. No, I don't know what you now go to pull hand. I don't know. When you know where your leg dey rotty, the last day where your enemy won't go, like that day, that MAZI IBE as they drive in, they rush come and say MAZI. That's not they talk again. That's not they talk again. Now so they rush. Before you rush, you go that place where pussy can come off for your leg. You are very ungrateful elements. And people that are supporting are the people that you are giving giveaway. So giveaway don't blind their eye. They don't know what is right. They don't know what is wrong. The guy did not come to fight you. When he came to your house, according to you, say he can't find you trouble. No, now you find trouble. As he come your house, he make he can't talk to you. Now you start to the fighter. Now you destroy a car because you see say he bought a new car. You were not expecting that he can get a new car in no distance like this. You not expect. You decide to destroy the car. Now you destroy a car. You never destroy any of your property. Don't worry. Karma will visit you. You will know your class. You say if you have the opportunity, you crown the president of Nigeria. Now then I go come punish you that time if you don't know. Don't worry, continue. Make that they push you. Fly, see and violent, make that they push you. Guys, share this video. Thank you, my people.